Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya from Jaji Jewels, and in this video we will learn how to make this beautiful pearl necklace. So let's get started. So we'll start by making a pearl beads like this. For that I have taken this wire, and I will insert, first of all I will insert 4 pearl beads in this, and we have to make a loop of them. So for that, what I will do is I will insert one side's wire to another side's bead. So I am taking this my left side's wire, and I will insert this to my right side's pearl bead in this, like this. So as you can see, we have formed a loop or a square, you can say. Similarly, we have to repeat this process 2 times. So again, this time I will insert 3 pearl beads, and for that I will insert 2 pearl beads in one side and 1 pearl bead to another side, like this. And now we will insert only that wire wherein we have added 1 pearl bead. Like I will insert this wire in this pearl bead. Never insert this wire wherein you have inserted 2 pearl beads in this one. Otherwise there will be a mismatch in this shape. So I have inserted this. If you want, you can take a help of plier also. Again we will repeat the same process, that is 2 pearl beads in one wire and 1 pearl bead in this another wire, and we will add this wire wherein we have added 1 pearl bead to another one, like this. Now I need a plier. Okay, so as you can see, we have formed a loop of this. You can see that we can make a 4 square. One is this, another one is this, and then this is the last one. 3 square, sorry, we have made 3 square. Now to make the circle, I will insert these 2 pearl beads in each of this wire, and we'll insert these both wires in this initial pearl bead. Grab it using wire, it will be easy. And this wire in the same pearl bead, not in any other one. And just wrap these wires once or twice and cut the extra part. So, and we'll just pull this one down. Okay, so as you can see, I have beautifully crafted this pearl bead. So to make the whole necklace, we need 10 pearl beads like this. So I have already made this 9 pearl beads, and now we will just join them. So for the same, I have taken this long wire. I have taken this long wire. Then also I am taking some pearl beads for attachment, and then we will start by attaching. So to attach them, I will first insert one pearl bead, and I will have some space over here. I will have some space and then wrap it so that we can add a jump ring in this later on. And I'll cut the extra part. Okay, so we'll add a jump ring in this hollow area. If you want, you can pinch a little using plier. Okay, so now we will start inserting this. One big pearl bead, then one smaller one, bigger one, smaller one, and just repeat. Okay, so as you can see, I have added these 10 pearl beads, and now I will again add one jump ring to another side the way we add very initially. Like this, we will again keep one part to uh, attach a jump ring or a necklace dori in this. Wrap this around and cut the extra part. Now we'll add a dori in this. For that I have taken these three jump rings attached to each other, and I will add this one in one side. So you have to insert in this hollow part and fix it using plier. Okay, so as you can see, this is done. Now we will add again one chain of jump rings like this to this side. Using the jump ring only. Okay, so as you can see, I have added this uh, jump rings this side and again to this side also. Now I will add necklace hook. For that I am taking this hook and will insert this in one in last jump ring. Fix this one properly, and we will attach this necklace hook, and we will attach this necklace hook in this side. Like this. So we have crafted our necklace. Now we will do our earrings. Earrings are also very easy like this. So to make the earrings, we again have to make pearl beads like this. So I have made this pearl bead and I have not cutted this wire because I have to add this earring dangle in that. So just make this big earring the way I have explained earlier in the video, and then just add this jump ring, and then we are done. So in this way our simple yet elegant pearl necklace is ready. Do try this elegant necklace at your home and let me know in the comment section how was your experience while working on it. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, do like and share to this video. If you want to watch amazing jewelry making videos like this, do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off. Thank you.